Good morning, everyone. My name is Nelly from grade 3. Today I'm going to present my project about Saturn ring. I chose this project because I want to know how Saturn rings are made. Have you ever wondered what makes Saturn one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system?
Yeah, I do. Sometimes.
Not just its size or its beautiful colors, but its stunning rings. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. The rings consist billions of small particles that orbit around Saturn. Particles are small things like rock and ice. Some are small as grain dust, while others are big as mountains. In ancient times, people looked up and saw Saturn ring and imagined them like some mystical, like giant halos. Think of Saturn as a complex cake, made out of its own unique ingredients. Together they make this mesmerizing blend of light around the planet. How many of you have seen Saturn ring through a telescope? A telescope is something you can see through space. Did you know the rings can appear very different depending on the angle and season on Saturn? Saturn has 4 seasons for 7 years. So summer, winter, spring, and fall. How many rings are there? The main rings are A, B, and C. Fainter rings include D, E, and G. The feeder ring is very faint. It orbits beyond the other. A, B, and C are main rings because they are together. D, E, and G are fainter rings because they are together. What are the rings like? The rings orbit at different speeds. The rings include lots of structure, including spokes and ribbons. The ring has atmosphere. How did the rings form? The rings may form from a comet, meteor, or baked up of one of Saturn's moons. The ring may only be a few 100 million years old. Who discovered the ring? Galileo Galilei discovered the rings in 1610. How do we learn more about the rings? The Cassini-Huygens mission was a collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Italian Space Agency. The Cassini orbiter explored the rings for over a decade. This is the model of Saturn and its ring. Conclusion. In this project, I learned about the structure and composition of Saturn and its ring. And I learned that the rings are made out of rocks, ice, comet, meteor, or break above Saturn's moon. I also learned how to do good research and do my presentation great. Thank you.
Hi, Nadine. My question is, you mentioned about the 4 seasons in Saturn for 7 years. Do you know how long does one season last on Saturn?
One season lasts for 7 years on Saturn.
One season for 7 years? You mentioned 4 seasons in 7 years.
Do you have any information about each season? How does it go?
One season is about 2 years.
You know or not? If you not know, you have no information, you just tell that you didn't have information, it's okay. Not guess, because of this is academic project. Okay. Do you know? Okay. you have to find out, okay?
Did you say that Saturn is a gas giant? Can we land on it?
No, because it's a gas giant and it's made out of gas.
Okay, so you cannot land. I have question, please. You said that the ring, the Saturn's ring, is like a small grain of sand or as big as a mountain. What does it make from?
It's made from rock, ice, comet, meteor that were break up of Saturn that all break up.
Oh, I see. Question? Okay, Miss Titi.
You mentioned that Saturn's ring is made up of rocks and ice. Are some ice already melted or it stays the same? Or Saturn's ring still has A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or it's already fading right now?
The ice is still on, but the ring eventually can disappear.
Gradually? She said it's gradually disappear. Do you have any information about why or what make it gradually disappear? Find out more, okay?